Hello everybody, I'm doing a 1 gauge, that's a 1 gauge welding wire upgrade so I can run my fat boy straight 6. There's my little driver, one of them KM 500s. So my wire, what I done was I changed this terminal here. I got me one of these off of eBay. I liked it better. There's my 1 gauge going into it. I put an extra, I think it's an extra 4 gauge wire going to my alternator. Then I run an extra ground to my frame. This right here is my fuse links I'm gonna run. That's a 300 amp fuse link. I think it might be too much. I think I'm gonna go with 200 amp. And I just replaced all of this. Replaced all of this with this wire here, which was an old jumper cable. And it was pretty good wire. I just didn't want to use it. I'm gonna show everybody. That's my DX99. I got from Dean Campbell. Got it installed. This is my antenna system. That's a Breedlove ball mount. Got this from Chris, makes these down in Alabama with BM Technology. My whip extender. I got the steel whip. So right now I'm gonna finish this install up and run this 1 gauge wire and put a fuse link here. I'm gonna put a fuse link back at my battery and then get it all buttoned up, key it down, put the firing wire. 73s everybody, 220 high voltage.